Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Whenever I open the camera on my iPhone and take a photo, I realize that live photo is on and it's really annoying, so I turn it off. But the worst part is that the next time I open the camera, live photo is turned back on again. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn off live photo on your iPhone for good. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Camera, then tap Preserve Settings. Now scroll down until you see Live Photo. If this option is turned off, make sure you turn it on. Now let's do one more quick step. Open the Camera app. If Live Photo is on, tap the Live Photo button to turn it off. You can take a picture if you'd like, then simply leave the camera with live photo still turned off. From now on, your iPhone will remember that live photo was turned off the last time you used the camera. So whenever you open the camera again, live photo will stay off instead of turning itself back on. And that's it. If you've been annoyed by this just like I was, that's exactly how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with someone who uses an iPhone, and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.